So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the screen brightness dropping issue while playing PUBG mobile or any other games on your iPhone. Now there are two major reasons. One of which was the overheating issue that causes the brightness throttling by default by your iPhone. Now you don't we don't have any software fix for that. You just have to don't let your iPhone heat too much. And the another reason is your iPhone's auto brightness makes it to the lower value. Now in order to turn the auto brightness off, so just simply open the settings. In the settings, simply search auto brightness, and once you search that, just simply type it here. You're gonna see, just simply turn this option off, and now your issues of brightness dropping will definitely be solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.